Okay, where we are come, we are doing new Sri Ganesh of new lesson. When you study about that lesson, after we start new one, which is this. Name of that lesson, force and pressure. So what is my force and which are the types of pressure? Then you understood. Sir, when you start that lesson, each and every day we want to cover somewhat new. What new today? If you want to learn them within a short duration, within a short incubation period, I want to cover those points which are already teach from my side and learn from your side. Which are they? First of all, when you start that lesson, first of all we try to understood what are the meaning, real meaning of force and pressure. As soon as that is work, we are asking two types of force. Which are the types of forces and what is the Newton's first law? Students are inspired. Students are ready to give answer. After one, we learn two main types of forces which are unknown for every student. These are the not scientific terms, but he says that if you want to try to cover any one force, it may be gravitational, it may be electrostatics, it may be induced, it may be magnetic, it may be anyone's electromagnetic, centrifugal, whatever forces are there, that forces can be occupied inside contact force and non-contact. Yesterday we also covered, and one experiment we also try to understood. When contact force we create, we are hold one container. In a container you are taking water, two bottles and two power magnets. If you hold there, that time we try to understood when it will become a contact or when it will become a non-contact. Today we can discover another point. Are you ready, students? Observe me. First of all, balanced light, balanced force. And second of all, non-balanced, another type of. Sir, what is the balanced force? I have no idea. After now, each and every forces are over. Because of that balanced force, he is given 4 different examples in your text. Suppose that I can draw a simple table which have 4 columns. Observe.
Yes, sir.
If you are taking 4 tables after that time, I can hold one cardboard sheet, matchbox and any which are made from card. Certain types of rectangular box you can keep at the center. If you are hold that time, it is tight overall body covered by plate, and 2 3 can be attached near side of 2 arm of table. What am I doing? I want to observe balance as well as unbalanced. That's why in your experiment, but simple experiments, from that point of angle, we are easily achieve which are balanced and which are unbalanced. Because of this, one can be hold rectangular table. Central side, which is smooth planes are, everyone's sides can be covered by only smooth surface. Another side, that take a rectangular cardboard matchbox. That matchbox can be set at the center of the table. That after some it can be held by using 3 ends of that threads. If it is hand near side of table to arm of table, that time it can be attached by using pans or by using 2 pans. At some quantity, suppose that I can hold 2 kg of weight. Here is also 2 kg of weight. Same quantity of weight can be applied in 2 pans, to arm, to sides, left and right, equalism moving. That time I observe, is matchbox move? That time matchbox does not show me any location, any locomotion from that force. That time certain types of force is known as balanced force. Opposite condition are, which is this. Suppose that pan can be handled by 2 kg. Here I can propose 1 kg. That time force reaches to left arm is greater from right arm. That's why matchbox moving towards its direction towards 2 kg. Why? Force become unbalanced. Because of that process, we can handle 2 types: balance as well as non-balance. Balance force is the one type of force, not only 2 kg and 1 kg. He says that gravitational force which can be act on that surface it also play a role for formation of balance as well as non-balance. What do you mean by gravitational force? If force act on two objects be equal with each other, that time it is known as balanced force. If gravitational force changes, if it is increase and decreases, that time certain types of force, it is known as imbalanced force or unbalanced force. That's why student today we can discuss two types of forces which can be given from that experimental study. Not only weights are same, those weights which can be held from gravitational force, if they are equal, that time it is known as gravitation. If they are unequal, that time it is known as unbalanced force. That's why on the basis of gravitational force, you can be conduct two types of forces. Gravitational force which act on that body or that object is the same, that time it is known as balanced force. If gravitational force imbalance, changes, decrease, increase, vice versa, opposite, somewhat up and down, if it is done, that time it is known as non-balanced force. Is that clear? In this way we study.